In LanSchool, you can set up a class list, and this is what you'll need to do because students will not be able to put in a channel number for your classroom. So, what you have to do is in a Google Sheet, put in the usernames of your students. And all you need is username. So, I've got two students here, and these are my test student accounts. And so those are just the usernames, and that's all I have to do. There's nothing, no other columns I need to fill. I just need to list their login usernames, not emails, just usernames. Then when I have that class finished, I download it, and you download it as a comma separated values or a CSV file, and save it out to your desktop, someplace where you'll be able to find it easily. And you can also rename it if you want. Then what you do is in LanSchool, you go up to Administer, hover on one-to-one, and choose Manage Class List. Choose Import Students from the button on the right. Find that CSV file, and you'll notice that your students' usernames are listed here. Choose Save. You'll have to save this class list. So we'll call this one first hour, and click Save and close. Now, what you do, you can build those lists, and then when you're ready to use them, like when the kids come into class, you click Administer, one-to-one, Load Class List, find your class list that you want to load, and choose Open. And then it pulls those kids directly into LanSchool. And you should have a different list for every hour. And then you will see your students. And so you can see this test student is, I'm not logged into it. That's why it looks like that. But this one, I am logged into it, and it should change there. It changed the screens. When you're finished with the class, you go to Administer, one-to-one, and you dismiss the class. After the first time you load a class, all your classes will be listed here, and you can just pick which class you want to load, and then you're good to go. So that is how you set up your class lists. If you want to edit your class list, you go back into Manage Class List. You can import your students. You can also choose Open and open up another list and add those students in also if you need to edit that. But that's how you work class lists.